I remember what great German poet Wolfgang Goethe, romantic poet, he was asked, did he have happy life? And his answer was, yes, I had a very, very happy life. But, he added immediately, I don't remember a single happy week. And that's against the contemporary philosophy, the warning for us. Because we have been brought up by marketing, by advertising, by ever new temptations, seductions, and so on, ever new fashions, to think about happiness as an uninterrupted row of better and better pleasures. And what Goethe suggests, and he was a very, very wise man, not only a great poet, is that happiness is in overcoming unhappiness, troubles. In one of his poems, he said that the worst nightmare is a long, long row of sunny days. The alternative of that is not happiness, but boredom, lack of excitement, lack of purpose to pursue, to fight for, and so on. What Goethe said was a warning for the younger people there. Don't think about your life as a collection of gifts picked up from the unlimited container of pleasurable items. Think about your life as a long, long struggle. Long, long struggle. You resolve one trouble, comes another, and the side effects are very often unpleasant. So that is what makes me short-term pessimist and long-term optimist.